Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you some of the best Monopoly Go tips and tricks. Now these tips and tricks are basically like a beginner's guide, so we can go through these and I'm going to help you progress through the game easily. So number one, you want to learn how to collect the shield faster. Shields are basically elements that block others from damaging your landmarks. Hence, being an amateur, it is very important to gather some shields very fast. This is because at first your empire is very small, and hence, if all the built landmarks are broken, you'll be left with a void. You should at least try and collect a minimum of 3 shields. So number 2, you want to use auto rolls wisely. While playing the board game, you'll come across an auto roll upgrade. It is basically an upgrade through which you can roll your dice multiple times. You can use it by pressing the go option for a long time, but sometimes you shouldn't use the auto roll, or else you may end up in the jail option on the board. Thus, calculate every step before pressing auto roll. Number 3, you want to focus on the landmarks. After gathering a handful of money, you have several options to invest them, but your investment's first choice priority always will be landmarks. This is because if some other player buys the plot before you do, you will lose your plot. Hence, afterwards, if you want to buy them again, you have to do it but at an extra cost. Also, buying more landmarks will expand your empire. Number 4, minigames are a free source of money. Many people ignore this, but minigames are the best source to earn extra money. As a result, never ignore minigames and try to complete them as soon as you get a chance. The games are basically easy, so earning cash should not be a problem. You can then use the earned cash afterward for whatever you want. Number 5, try to land on homes. When you build landscapes or knock down others' property, you receive a house-shaped token. The places where the token gets placed will give you extra money. As a result, try and land in those places to earn extra money. So these were my 5 top tips and tricks for Monopoly Go. So I hope those tips and tricks really helped you out in Monopoly Go. If they did, please comment down below to say they helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.